Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. So this is the question yesterday we have seen. So choose the options. What is required to create a retail customer in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Okay, I have given some options. So let's try to find the answer for this question. So first you try to understand, okay, what is required to create a retail customer. So this is just they would like to confuse you. They might say that, retail customer or service customer, or they might say like something like a manufacturing customer. Just the title retail is to give, alternative confusion for you. But actually, any customer, you can choose the below options. Okay. Customer classification is an attribute within the customer creation, so that it is not key, it can be optional, so that it is not the right answer. Sales area, okay, it is very very important. While creating either BP or customer, you require a sales area, okay, to extend sales and partners and your billing and delivery tabs. Actually, sales area is important apart from your general letter. So option B is correct as of now. Shipping condition, again attribute, it is not required. So C is not correct. Okay. D, shipping point, again it is there is no relation for customer. It is indirectly linked with plant, actually delivering plant. It is again optional. So E, company code, this is correct. Okay. The first one, the B is correct answer, and E, company code, is the correct answer. Customer group and customer pricing group, all these are to confuse these multiple options. So the answer is P and E, okay, in this context. And if you like this video, you can like this, and if you wanted to subscribe my channel, you can subscribe my channel. So I would like to tell you one thing. So currently I'm holding 5,000 near almost 5,500 students. So if you look at here, sales and distribution course, it's almost 107.5 hours. I'm just trying to add this video also there. This is like, you can say that, backup for you if you already done SAP also. It's for a detailed revision for practicals as well as for your learning. Actually, apart from that, I have a couple of courses which is relevant for real time. This is specifically done those who are in job trials. One is getting master to write functional specification, and this is for idocs. And apart from that, I have few courses. I'm very good at pricing. I love pricing. Like, you comment which topic you like it in SAP SD. Okay, so that you can if you wanted to learn in detailed pricing, so you can choose these two courses, very depth and standard. So this is the basic course, and after that I have done a lot of things in this S4 HANA for pricing. I have updated, and apart from that, you can able to give a try for your footprints in S4 HANA. This is the basic course everyone must do. Okay, simple logistics business partners. It is very very important. Every project, each and every SAP project, it should be needed. You can give a try. BP master data, how it should be created, I have already explained in my YouTube channel. Okay, probably you can able to have a look around that. So around 20 courses, I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really want it, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Bless you all. I wish you all the best.